Yo, sorry I haven't done some updates for a little while. I've been working on a collaboration project that I'm not allowed to share yet till it's finished. So I've literally been non-stop getting this done for a deadline. It's going to the Bike Shed show, so I obviously haven't got long to get it done. But yeah, it's been chaos in the workshop, and I'll just show you some other stuff I've been up to. Frank's shovel head is just about stripped down now, ready to go off to powder coaters. My little dyno's over there. I've got another shovel head in to be cut up. Got an FXR in for a load of work. Twin disc front end we're putting on it. New mudguard and stuff. The old Heron still going good, still leaking a bit of oil. But yeah, that's doing good. James is pretty much done. Got Jasper's bike in here. We're doing an engine swap and loads of other stuff on that because he's taking that to Macedonia on a big road trip. So let's have new bearings, new tyres, new cables. It's going to be basically a brand new bike. And then underneath the cover, Mark Shovelhead. I've got all the bits for this now, and then Thursday I'm going to smash into that, and hopefully on Friday I'm hoping I can get a tune out of it. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Pipes turned out really nice. Got the Chromeworks baffles in there. Woo. Lovely little stainless bars and all the nice little brass accents. We're getting rid of this carb, putting a Super E on here because, well, Super E's are just the best, aren't they? And then yeah, then cracking back on with Ollie's Honda frame. I should have done this a little while ago, but I had a few other jobs come in, emergencies and stuff beforehand, so I'm going to spend the evening shift on this one tonight and hopefully get some frame rails laid in there. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll keep you all posted.